Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, inshallah, we will solve the exercises of chapter 1, Faiza's Biscuit, Oxford Modern English, grade 2. Let's start our work. Faiza's Biscuit, we have read the story. Faiza's Biscuit is a short story about a little girl whom a rich girl gave some biscuits and cakes. After selling the cakes and biscuits outside the school, she studied to sell them regularly, and after 10 years she was the brand owner and she was having a big business of bakery. This is the example of hard work, sincerity, and especially sustainability for the students. It's giving very good lesson. So here we are sharing some question answers clip. As you can see, comprehension. Answer the following questions. Some have done for you. You will start making your copy. You will start writing like this in the starting of the notebook. First of all, you will have to make the title page, the title syllabus for the first semester. This is the content for the first semester. These are the 9 chapters. Content for the first monthly test after opening the school. Inshallah, you will see, you will write, leave this page blank. Now, Faiza's Biscuit heading. Words to know. The words which are given at the start of story, you should write them. And you should write some more. At least 5 words to know. You should write. Now the exercises. If you can see, answer the following question. What did Faiza see one day? What did Faiza see? She saw people getting out of car. She saw people getting out of car. Who went into restaurant? A little girl and her family went into restaurant for fun. What did people eat at the party? They ate ice cream, biscuits and cakes. They ate ice cream and biscuit. Who gave Faiza some cake and biscuit? The little girl gave her some cake and biscuit. What did Faiza do the next morning? The next morning she sold the biscuits outside the school. So these are the questions. You can see A to E, and I have discussed their answers. Now you will start working with words. What are the words? They all begin to be with bo. This is made of glass, hold, liquid, bottle. Okay, there are some inside your body. Guess please, students. There are some inside your body. Yes, bones. Not a girl, not a man or woman. What's guess? Guess, students. Not a girl, not a man, not a woman, but starting with boy. Yes, it's boy. Strong and full of courage. Strong and full of courage. Bow. Bold. Yes. Bottle. Bones. Boy. Bold. So we have guessed. Read the following sentences carefully, then use underlined word in sentences of your own. These have been done for you. See, The first one is give up. Please give up smoking. Give up, to leave something, छोड़ देना. Okay. The sentence is please give up smoking. Hold on. पकड़ कर रखना. Hold on the things tightly. Pull out. I can pull out the door. I cannot pull out the door also. Please pull out the string. It can also be the sentence. Laugh at. We laugh at the jokes. हम लतीफ़ों पे हंसते हैं. Take away. Time would take away the memories. So these are the words. You can watch them and write them as neatly as I have shown you in the demo. Students, we have worked hard to give you the standard quality of writing. You must have to write it very neatly. Your assignment must be very neat. So use these words about the pictures in sentences of your own. So these are also very important, but all the students must have to do. There was a poor girl. Once she got biscuits and cakes from a rich girl. She was celebrating party. There were a lot of balloons. They went into restaurants. There are so many words, so many sentences. You will have to rearrange the story by using these words. Sentences. Learning about the language, section C. Sentence. We start a sentence with capital letter. We end the sentence with full stop. We use capital letter for the name of people and places. Put capital letter on full stop. These are A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E. These are sentences. You will have to make first. At the start of letter, you will have to write them in the capital letter. At the end, you will write full stop. With the name of people and places like Lahore, Khan, Nazimuddin Road, Royal Hotel, Ra, Monday, Lahore. These first letters of these words will be capital. Let's see in the notebook how to do this one. We start the sentence with capital letter. First write this. Second, we end the sentence with full stop. We use a capital letter for the name of people and place. Put the capital letter and full stop. Mr. Khan worked in an office. The office was in Lahore. So Mr. Khan, M and K is capital. The office is in Lahore. T and L is capital. At the last of sentence there is full stop. One day Mr. Khan went into Multan. So Mr. Khan and Multan, the letters are capital. He stayed at Royal Hotel. Royal Hotel, the letters are capital. In the same way, Nazimuddin Road. On Monday, he caught a plane back to Lahore. Monday on Lahore. First letter is capital. So you should write the sentences in the same way. These are solved for you to make your work neat. Listening and speaking. The next task is probably listening and speaking. Listen your teacher's statement. Ask the question when you hear the statement. Teacher's statement. It is old. They are running. Your question. Is it old? Are they running? So you should make the questions from the statement. Use these words. Is, are, did, does, was, were. So the teacher, if I am the teacher, I am saying this is a box. Your question is what? Make a short video and send me over WhatsApp. Are, we are girls. Did, they didn't play. Does, Ali does not go to school. Was, he was sleeping. Were, we were running. So these are the words. I have given you statement. You all must have to make the questions from these statements and send it to me. see what's in the notebook. The next topic, very interesting and very nice. Composition. In your own word, write the story of Faiza and Biscuit. You can add the idea of your own, use some conversation too. This is the last part of the chapter. Composition. The heading, look at the heading. In your own words, write the story Faiza's and Biscuits. Also draw the picture. Here, look. First you will make the box, then draw the picture. Faiza is a girl. She is selling some cakes and biscuits. Okay. There you will write title in the notebook and you will write description right here. Next on your notebook you will leave 2 pages for assessment. Assessment is the most important. Then you will learn. This is the task of your whole week and the first chapter of grade 2. After completing this task, you will send your English notebook. Inshallah, very soon we will upload some more lectures, but you should use it very punctually. Let's see once review. Content for the first semester, content for the first monthly task, Faiza's Biscuit, words to know, exercises, comprehension, answer the following questions, working with words, some work you are going to do in the reader, learning about the language. You can see them. Your presentation would be same, inshallah. The last, the assessment sheet. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.